Hi, in this video I'm going to go over how to create your account with Eat the 80. So right after placing my order, I'm going to receive a series of 3 emails, the first one being an auto receipt for my transaction, the next being a welcome to Eat the 80 email, and the next being an account verification. So in order to create my account, I'm going to go ahead and click on the account verification email, and at the bottom of that email there is a link to complete the registration process. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that link. Alright, and now I'm going to enter the information in the fields and make sure that you use the email here in the creation of your account that is the same as the email that you used to place your order. So that's this one for me, and I'll just create a password and you're going to confirm that password. And now you're going to select Update Account. And here it's going to now take me, after I get this notification from Sarah at Eat the 80 welcoming me, I'm going to see my user portal. And on this user portal, I can access any information that I have on file. I can see my current order, next order, and payment methods.